Hey everybody, this is Sean with ProSymmetry, and in this video, we're going to talk about creating new projects from templates. Why is this important? If you watched our prior video on how to create templates, at this point, we'll walk through how you actually create a new project from those previously saved templates. Really simple to do. First thing we're going to do, again, is assuming the user has rights to create projects from templates. Remember, Tempus as it's very capable security models. We can limit entitlements to just those that you wish. So we'll browse to the project management screen, and under Create Project, we have a range of options here. We obviously have the regular project. We have projects that use demand management workflows that go through various phases, lifecycle steps, stages, and so on. And then we also have at the bottom here all of our templates. Now, in the last video where we talked about creating a template, we created this one here, CRM Implementation North America. But we have others, Competitive Analysis, Implementation Type 2, Product Launch USA. There is also a search at the top. So if we wanted to find our CRM template, you might have dozens of templates. So this lets you very easily search for it. And we'll go ahead and click on CRM Implementation North America. We'll use that template. And when we do this, we get a little pop-up where we can tell Tempus, well, what do I want from that template? Do I want everything? In which case, I would just turn this one option on. Or perhaps I want to start this project with just the attributes, just the team, and just the financials, and maybe the milestones. But I'm going to build out the allocation and the forecast separately. So you can mix and match the different elements of that template that you wish to use when generating a new project. Let's, in this case, choose everything, and we'll say this is CRM deployment, Canada. I think it was already North America, but that's okay. We'll do another one. We'll say it's in Canada, and we'll go ahead and hit Create. And this will now provision the project from the template. Notice the name's updated, and as we cycle through the various sub-objects, all of the data from that source template will be available for our use. So that's how we create a new project from a template in Tempus. Thanks again for watching. To learn more or get access to a free trial, join us at prosymmetry.com.